Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. Today, we'll be exploring the comprehensive power by governance framework. Our goal is to understand how to ensure secure, compliant, and efficient data management across organizations. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover key strategies and best practices to help you implement a robust governance approach. Let's get started. Welcome to our discussion on Microsoft Power by Governance. On this slide, we'll explore the comprehensive framework that ensures effective management of Power by across your organization. Governance isn't just about rules, it's about fostering a culture of data-driven success. When we build strong governance, we're empowering teams to leverage data effectively for growth and innovation. It also plays a critical role in supporting compliance with various regulations. By having clear policies in place, organizations can adhere to legal and industry standards, reducing risk and ensuring accountability. Additionally, governance helps ensure that data is used securely and responsibly. This builds trust among stakeholders and enables more informed, confident decision-making. Finally, establishing Power by Governance means defining clear rules and roles. This guides how your organization creates, shares, and protects data within Power by. It's about setting expectations and responsibilities to keep everything organized, compliant, and secure. All these elements come together to create a strong foundation for your Power by environment and your overall data strategy. So, what exactly is Power by Governance? Well, it's a comprehensive framework that helps us manage Power by in a structured and secure way. Governance ensures that our data is used responsibly, keeping it safe and organized. At the same time, it supports our overall business objectives by making sure everyone is working with consistent practices. The importance of governance cannot be overstated. Its main goals are to enable us to use data safely and reliably, while also establishing clear accountability. This way, we know who is responsible for what, and our data aligns closely with our business needs. When we talk about the goals of governance, we're referring to setting clear roles, like data owners and report creators. These roles are crucial because they define who can create, share, or access reports and data. They help us keep everything secure and properly managed. Ultimately, Power by Governance is a set of policies and procedures that guide how we handle data and reports. It clearly defines who has permission to do what, ensuring that our Power by environment is both effective and secure. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of Power by Governance and how it supports our overall strategy. First, a comprehensive governance framework helps ensure that the data we rely on is trusted and certified. This confidence in our data encourages smarter business decisions and fosters growth. When we trust our data, it naturally builds confidence in our data-driven strategies and sparks innovation. Another key benefit is the enhanced data culture. With self-service reporting, users can access insights quickly without waiting on it. This empowers teams to make informed decisions faster and more independently, which is crucial in today's fast-paced environment. Faster decision-making is also a direct result of these improvements. Shared workspaces and commenting features keep teams connected, promoting teamwork and boosting productivity across different departments. Collaboration becomes seamless, enabling us to work more efficiently. Power by's scalability ensures that as our datasets grow, our performance remains strong. It adapts effortlessly to increasing data demands, so we don't experience bottlenecks or slowdowns as our data volume expands. Finally, there's the cost efficiency aspect. Leveraging cloud services reduces hardware expenses and upfront costs. This approach allows us to optimize resources, saving money while maintaining a robust, scalable infrastructure. Altogether, these benefits reinforce how Power by Governance not only secures our data, but also accelerates our business agility and growth. Let's talk about the risks organizations face when there's no governance in place for data security. First, insufficient monitoring can lead to undetected threats. Without proper oversight, organizations might not realize when their systems are under attack or compromised, which can be disastrous. That's why governance is crucial. It enforces monitoring policies to spot and address these risks early. Next, consider access controls. Without proper controls, data leaks become almost inevitable. Governance helps establish and maintain strong access policies, ensuring only authorized people can see sensitive information. This is especially important for protecting critical data. Moving on, unauthorized access to Office 365 is another major concern. Without governance, there's a higher chance that malicious actors or even careless employees could gain access, increasing the risk of data breaches and theft. Governance acts as a safeguard here too. Now let's think about networks. Unsafe or unsecured networks pose a significant threat. They can be a weak link that allows cybercriminals in. Without governance, organizations risk losing sensitive data if they connect to untrusted networks. Finally, unmanaged devices represent a serious vulnerability. Devices that aren't properly managed are more susceptible to cyber attacks and exploitation. Governance helps enforce security standards on all devices, reducing that risk significantly. Overall, these points highlight how essential a comprehensive governance framework is for safeguarding data and maintaining organizational resilience. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the security tools integrated into Power by Governance. First up is data encryption. Encryption safeguards your data both at rest and during transit, meaning that whether your data is stored on servers or being transmitted across networks, it's protected from unauthorized access. This layer of security is fundamental because it prevents anyone without the proper keys from viewing sensitive information. Next, we have sensitivity labels. These labels are incredibly useful for classifying and protecting confidential data. By applying sensitivity labels, organizations can ensure compliance with regulations and maintain control over who can see or use certain data. It's a proactive way to manage data confidentiality. Then there's object-level security, or OLS. This feature allows us to hide specific tables or columns that contain sensitive information. So even if someone has access to the report, they won't be able to see or interact with that confidential data unless they have the proper permissions. It's all about granular control. Moving on, role-based access control, or RBAC, helps us manage user permissions in a structured way. We can assign roles such as viewer, contributor, or admin, each with different levels of access and responsibilities. This makes it much easier to control who can edit, view, or manage the reports and dashboards. Finally, row-level security, or RLS, takes this a step further by restricting data visibility at the row level based on the user's role. This means that users only see the data relevant to their responsibilities, which is crucial for maintaining data privacy and ensuring users don't access information they shouldn't. All these tools are designed to work together, forming a comprehensive security framework that supports robust governance in Power BI. They help us protect data, control access, and ensure compliance, reinforcing the overall security posture of our organization. Let's talk about compliance and auditing within our comprehensive Power BI governance framework. First, governance is all about making sure that our data is managed in accordance with legal and ethical standards. This is crucial because it helps us build trust with our stakeholders and protects our organization from potential regulatory penalties. To stay on top of security, we conduct regular security checks. These checks help us identify any vulnerabilities in our systems and ensure that we're maintaining compliance. Monitoring unusual activities is also key. It allows us to spot potential threats early and stay ahead of any security issues. Next, we implement data loss prevention policies and sensitivity labels. These tools are essential for safeguarding sensitive information. They help prevent unauthorized access and reduce the risk of data breaches, which is vital for protecting both our data and our reputation. Audit trails are another critical component. They record who accessed or modified data within our organization. These trails are fundamental for maintaining accountability and transparency in how we handle data, making sure everyone is following the rules. Finally, governance involves using tools like Compliance Manager and dashboards. These help us monitor our adherence to standards such as HIPAA, GDPR, PCI DSS, SOX, and CCPA. With these tools, we get a clear, real-time view of our compliance status, enabling us to manage risks proactively and stay aligned with regulatory requirements. Let's take a closer look at the comprehensive power by governance framework. At the core, we have the administrator, who is responsible for managing platform settings, security, and user permissions. This role is crucial because it lays the technical foundation for effective governance, ensuring everything runs smoothly and securely. Supporting this central role are other key players like IT admins, data stewards, and compliance officers. These roles help ensure operations are seamless and that accountability is clearly distributed across the organization. Now, moving on to the data owner. This person oversees data quality, security, and compliance, making sure the organization's data remains accurate and trustworthy. Their role is vital for maintaining data integrity, which underpins reliable decision-making. Finally, we have other essential governance roles such as report creators and, of course, administrators. Each of these roles has specific responsibilities, but all work together to ensure our Power BI environment is well-governed, secure, and effective. Understanding these roles and responsibilities helps us build a strong governance framework that supports our overall data strategy and organizational success. On this slide, we're focusing on access controls and the report catalog, which are key components of our Power BI governance framework. Microsoft Purview plays a crucial role here by enhancing our report catalog through labeling and classifying reports. This helps us maintain data quality and ensure compliance across our organization. Having a centralized report catalog is also essential. It organizes all our Power BI reports by topic, owner, and usage, making it much easier to find and share the right data when we need it. When it comes to access controls, role-based access control, or RBAC, is fundamental. It defines who can view or modify data based on their role. We typically have roles like viewer, contributor, member, and admin, each with different permissions. This structured approach helps us protect sensitive information while enabling collaboration. Overall, these elements work together to support a secure, organized, and compliant Power BI environment, which is key to maximizing our data's value across the organization. Now, let's talk about the importance of audit logs in our governance framework. These logs are a critical resource for tracking compliance with our organizational policies. They give us detailed records of activities, which are essential for accountability and transparency across the board. Regular review of these logs helps ensure that our policies stay effective and aligned with our evolving business goals. Enforcement mechanisms are equally vital. They help us maintain adherence to our established guidelines and prevent deviations. Furthermore, integrating audit logs with tools like Azure Sentinel allows us to detect threats early on. This proactive approach is key to mitigating risks before they escalate into bigger issues. Moving on to security insights, dashboards play a crucial role here. They visually highlight security issues and unusual behaviors, making it easier to identify potential risks and areas that need attention. Finally, effective governance isn't a one-time effort. It requires continuous monitoring of user activities and report sharing. Audit logs are instrumental in revealing whether we're complying with policies and help us maintain a strong security posture over time. This ongoing oversight ensures that our Power BI environment remains secure, compliant, and aligned with our strategic objectives. Let's talk about some best practices for implementing a comprehensive Power BI governance framework. First, it's crucial to establish explicit guidelines for data access, workspace creation, and report sharing. These policies help ensure clarity and consistency across your organization, making it clear who can do what and preventing confusion. Next, you want to define clear policies by designating roles, such as data stewards and owners. These roles are vital because they oversee governance processes, fostering responsibility and ensuring everyone adheres to the established rules. Automation plays a key role in maintaining effective governance. Implementing automated systems to monitor workspace usage, send alerts, and remove inactive users can significantly boost efficiency. This reduces manual oversight and helps keep your environment secure and well-managed. It's also important to pilot your governance rules with a small group first. Gathering feedback during this phase allows you to refine processes and ensure they work well in practice before scaling them up. This step helps in gaining broader acceptance and increasing the effectiveness of your policies. Finally, remember that governance isn't a set-it-and-forget-it process. Regularly reviewing and updating your policies ensures they stay relevant as your business evolves. This is especially important when integrating new tools like Microsoft Fabric, which may introduce new capabilities or requirements. Staying adaptable keeps your governance framework robust and aligned with your organization's needs. Now, let's talk about training and user adoption within our comprehensive Power by Governance framework. First, it's essential to use workshops and track training completion. This approach helps ensure that everyone is on the same page and that adoption is widespread and compliant with our standards. Interactive sessions are particularly effective because they foster engagement and accountability among users. Next, providing accessible guides and FAQs plays a crucial role. These resources are designed to support users in understanding our governance practices, making it easier for them to follow best practices and stay informed. Clear, easy-to-access information reduces confusion and encourages consistent adherence. Another key point is certifying data sources. By establishing trusted, reliable sources, we build confidence in the data used for decision-making. When users trust the data, they're more likely to rely on it and follow governance protocols. Differentiating environments, such as development and production, is also vital. This differentiation allows for safe testing and sharing, ensuring that our data management remains structured and minimizing risks associated with untested or unstable data. Finally, training truly is the backbone of governance success. It's important to educate teams about governance rules, Power by tools, and best practices for data handling. Well-trained teams are more equipped to maintain compliance, ensure data quality, and support a strong governance culture across the organization. Now, let's take a closer look at the comprehensive Power by Governance framework and how automation plays a crucial role in it. As we've discussed earlier, automation significantly enhances security and compliance while also reducing the manual workload for teams. This shift allows team members to concentrate more on strategic initiatives rather than getting bogged down in operational tasks. One key benefit of automation is that it automatically removes inactive accounts, which helps us manage user access more effectively. This not only boosts security by limiting access to only active users, but also saves us the effort of manual cleanup. Another important aspect is proactive alert notifications. Automation keeps an eye on data refreshes and security issues, sending alerts when something goes wrong. This means we can detect and address problems much faster, minimizing downtime or security risks. Additionally, automation supports continuous oversight of workspace usage. It automatically tracks how workspaces are being used and generates access reports. This transparency ensures everyone is accountable and helps us maintain a clear view of our governance landscape. Altogether, these automated processes are transforming how we manage Power by, making it more secure, efficient, and aligned with our strategic goals.